Alright, let's fucking go. My name's Kanji Code. We're on video 956. The source code is here. You are on the 1-minute code review. Fucking go. Okay, bomb area function section. Inside of bomb area unit test main, raw tile value converted to a something or nothing tile. A something 1 or a nothing 0. So we're going to take this input tile from the tile map and we're just going to down filter it to 1 or 0 so that we can diff our two tile maps, the simulation tile map and the answer key. So we have an explanation about this, and the output is going to be set to an invalid value to start off with. If the input is 0, we're going to keep it at 0. Now, if otherwise, if it is 255, we're going to get 0. If it's 1 through 5, then we're also going to spit out 1. If it's 10 through 150, specifically in increments of 10, then we're also going to spit out 1. Otherwise, we're going to throw out an error because this is a value we did not expect on our simulation tile map or answer key tile map. So before we exit, we expect the output something or nothing. The output something or nothing tile should be either 1 for something, 0 for nothing. If it's not, we're going to throw an error. And here's our output simulation tile, something or nothing. Okay, then down here in our unit test main, we're finally fucking done with this. So if we scroll down here, we have the input key raw value, the simulation tile map raw value. So we have an input tile map, output tile map that we run the simulation on, and then this is the raw value, and this is the something or nothing down filtered value. So we're going through every single bomb category, right? We have 4 bomb categories, and we're going to run a unit test for each of them, right? The spark pin, laser box, the Jax bomb, and the box bombs. We're going to run 4 different unit tests and run tiny simulations. And after we run the simulation, we want to check the simulation. So we're going to go through every single tile in scanline order. We're going to convert the XY to an index here, and then we're going to get out the raw tile from the input-output key and the simulation tile map. Once we have the raw value, we're going to down filter the input-output key to something or another, down filter the simulation value to something or another nothing tile, right? So here's the down filtered input-output key tile. Here's the down-filtered simulation tile. And then they should be equal. Now, if they're not equal, we're going to throw a fucking error. Otherwise, simulation passed, and this is just for breakpoints. Okay, we're fucking done. We're fucking done. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine. Like and subscribe.